Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. This app will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. So this app is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app, Smart UDP Pro VPN. So among the presented, you pick this one. So this app is able to secure your connection in case you set it up very well. So before you use any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And please, before using any VPN, make sure to follow your local laws so that you don't violate them. And after that, please open the app and set it up for it to work. So when you reach in the app home screen, you're required to set it up. And the first setting is you're required to update the app resources by tapping on this update button. And when you tap on this update button, the app will start to check for available updates and it will update to the latest version. So make sure to update the app resources so that it can provide you with the latest configured settings. And after that, you're required to pick a server. So you can either pick auto server or you can pick from any of the presented servers. So for today's video, let's pick the auto server. This is because auto server will help us to pick the perfect working server in our equation. And after that, you're required to pick either your country name or you can pick a connection method. So for today's video, please you tap here, or if you are from or you are from Tanzania, you can simply tap here, then you can proceed with these settings. So for today's video, we're gonna pick the whole country UDP settings. So when you reach here, simply enter here your country name. On this field, you search for your country name. So if you are from a country, you can simply search for that country name, for example Tanzania. So you will be able to pick it, or Ghana, you can see it. And for today's video, we are gonna use the all countries UDP. This is because UDP is working for all countries we support UDP, and if your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. So make sure to pick all country UDP. As communicated earlier, in case this option of all country UDP is not working for you, you can simply search your country name and you'll be able to secure your connection in your picked country or selected country. And after that, you're required to add on time by utilizing this add time button. When you tap on this add time button, this app will add on its connection time. Make sure the app doesn't run out of time so that you stay connected for a long session. And after that, you're required to initiate a super fast and secure connection by tapping on this connect button. And when you tap on the connect button, the app will be connected right away and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Smart UDP Pro with all country UDP fast settings to get a stable, a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Please like this video, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet again in the next video.